Milling Machinery Exchange. My name is Adam Mattis. We've been in business for over 65 years. We specialize in buying, selling, and trading machinery, new and used, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today we're in our chip making facility, so you'll see we have a lot of our lathes, mills, saws, and grinders here. Today we're going to be going over one of our really nice lathes that just came in. This is actually a used lathe. This is a GH-1440 gap bed lathe. Really nice lathe, heavy duty, compact, lots of good tooling came with it. Be really happy with whoever gets this guy. So we'll start off with basic. You can see your tool post right here. It's got a couple of holders with it. You got coolant system, steady rest, follow rest. You got some vibration foot pads right there for leveling. I think they're just leveling pads. A 4-jaw chuck, 3-jaw chuck, and the collet closer. So it's really got all the goodies that you might want on one of these lathes. 1440. If you notice right here, we have our gap bed lathe. So this is why we call it a gap bed lathe. This little area right here comes out with these bolts. This whole section gets removed. You can put a faceplate in and you could swing a lot larger piece all the way down to here. Take a look at the specs and you'll see exactly what number it is. But it's gonna be pretty close to almost doubling your size just for this smaller area. So you'll be able to run irregular sized parts. If you have a valve you need to swing in the side where you chafe off the end, you can go ahead and do that. Make it really easy to pull out the gap. Now this guy's real nice condition, really smooth. If you take a look at all the ways here, everything's really clean. There's no major gouges or anything. You can take a look at the pictures and see how clean it is because we take a lot of pictures really to represent this machine exactly how it runs. We'll go ahead and turn this guy on. I do have it in a little bit of higher speed because I want to show you the feed and it's a little easier to see. But you can hear in the high speed right now, everything sounds really good. In fact, I have a microphone right here. I'm going to walk over to it. I'm going to stand right behind the spindle and let you hear just how quiet the machine is. So really smooth, no vibrations. You can see right now we have our feed screw running. Right here, we're going to turn on our cross-slide travel. Very easy to use. You bring this guy straight down and you'll have your longitudinal travel. Again, cross travel. Longitudinal. So you can see really smooth, easy to run. There's no scraping or anything on these lathes. They're really clean. Again, take a look at the photos, you'll see it's just in a really nice condition. It's all original paint. Somebody took good care of this guy. I'm going to go ahead and show you one other thing here, a few things. We'll go ahead and step on this. You can see immediately it turns the machine off. That's your brake. That's going to be your safety device. We'll set this in the center. Now if you want to change your speeds and go a little quicker or slower, you're going to change it right here. Make sure you're right where you're at. You have a jog button right here. That'll make sure you're right in gear and you're able to work. So we're going to go ahead and set this on again. Let you hear the head at the lower speed. Again, it's very quiet, no issues. I'm going to change this to threading mode. And you can see the thread screw is now moving. And once we have our thread screw moving, we go ahead and put this into gear. And you'll see our travel again is moving and it's going to be going along the thread dial right now. As you can see, the machine's in really good condition. I have a lot of different machines here available. All the different brands, LeBlond, Clausing, Daewoo, Hardinge, Mighty Turn, Morisiki, new and used. If you have something for trade, let us know. We can help you out there. Take in a couple of machines and get you something you really need. Again, we'll turn this guy off with the brake and it's all ready to go. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for some great financing options and a complete inventory with pricing at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.